Let's let X equal the amount each owner received and Y be the amount each employee received. So 2X, because I have 2 owners, plus 10Y must give me 48,000. That's the total amount of profit. And let's divide everything by 2 to make our number smaller. X plus 5Y equals 24,000. So let's remember that equation. And then it says that, by the way, we're trying to figure out how much each owner received. So we're trying to find X. And it says each of the 2 owners received 3 times as much. So each of the owners received 3 times as much as an employee. So that tells me X equal 3Y. So now take this expression for 3Y and plug it in there. So it gives me 3Y plus 5Y equals 24,000. And this is 8Y equal 24,000. And that will be Y equals 3,000. So each employee received $3,000. But we're trying to find X, and we know X equals 3Y. So X equals 3 times 3,000. So each owner received $9,000, which is B.